guys, welcome to another video. So today I will teach you actually how you can implement this game into your own pen tool so you can master pen tool. So as you know, this is Bezier.method.ac. This is, if you don't know, this is a game, Bezier game or pen tool game. So basically it's game to help you master the pen tool, as you can see right here. So it's pretty nice website, you know. So yeah, get started. So first thing first, when we are at the first thing in the pen tool, you need to know straight lines. So these are the straight lines, these are also the guides. As you can see, you can replay tutorial here and it will show you how you can actually use that, you know, and how you can actually make that. So you can also go Control Z to undo, or Shift Control Z to redo, or Control X to clear stage, Shift to snap to angle. We need a Shift to snap to angle, so we're going to click left click, hold Shift and left click, and again left click while holding Shift. So we're gonna do the same thing for this house. As you can see, I missed lines a little bit there, but as you can see, it's pretty straightforward. Now circle is a little bit different, you know, you have curves and all that. So we're gonna do that here. As you can see, I missed the curve, so I need Control Z, and again I can use it like that. As you can see right here, like that, like that, and we connect the dots. So this is tutorial on how to make a heart. I never actually did the heart this way, but it's pretty amazing way to do it. So as you can see, click here, left click, and drag it out, and while holding left click, click Alt, hold Alt, and it will make it this. And now you just need to let go, and you have your heart, left side of heart, as you can see right here. And again, Alt, hold Alt while holding left click, and again you can just connect the heart. So this is basically the heart. So this car is actually everything that you learned till so you need to implement everything what you learned till this moment. So basically we'll learn how to make circles, heart, and all that. So these are all in here, so in the car. Right now, left click, drag it out, Shift to straight lines. We don't hold Shift anymore. Now like that, up in here. Oh, I actually missed a little bit, but okay. And up here, and again. So basically Shift is for straight lines, if you didn't know, and yeah, basically like that. We can also make it like this here, and as you can see, I missed this here, so I'm going to Control Z, and I'm going to do just a little bit, not too much, like that. And I can now go like this, and as you can see, it said that I have 0 nodes available. So yeah, basically this car can be completed with like 15 nodes. Yeah, so you use 15 nodes out of 15 available, but this stage has been completed with 7 nodes. So yeah, basically someone completed this stage with 7 nodes, which are the dots to connect all that, but I completed with 15 out of 15 available. So you have 15 available, and like that you just need to complete all stages. I mean, not all stages, you just need to, you know, train yourself for better. So for example, this airplane is a lot of straight lines, as you can hear, as you can see, not here, right here. So yeah, basically like that. Like that. I missed a little bit. Yeah, I actually missed a little bit. Like that, and again 0 nodes available. So this is airplane. I a little bit missed this tail, but it's okay. 12 nodes out of 12 available. This stage has been completed with 5 nodes. So yeah, basically you need to train in order to like learn pen tool. I'm not really good at pen tool, but I just wanted to show this because it's pretty amazing game. So we have 9 nodes for this, so let me just see for the end if I can do this. I don't think actually I can really, I mean I can, but yeah, as you can see I missed it. So basically I can do it like that, yeah, and now like that. Again, this is like car, something different, but probably the same like a car. And we can also do it like this, and again, yeah, this is it. It's not really good, but it's, you know, good. I used 11 nodes out of 10 available, so I missed one completely. So as I said, I'm not really good at this, but I can show you how you can make pen tools. So thank you guys for watching. If you want more, be sure to subscribe and be sure to watch my other videos. Be sure to like the video, and tell me down in the comments down below if you want more of this kind of like, how would I say, design style videos. And yeah guys, thank you guys for watching, and we will see you in the next one.